Well, hey there, that was the startup, and I've already had some work done. You can see the dual exhaust, and I think I told you, or at least sent you a picture of so far my favorite part, which is the manifolds that I replaced after taking out these ridiculous headers. That's one, and there's the other. And then I found out you've got a PVC already, but it's not connected to the carburetor, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to replace the valve covers and also the air cleaner. I'm going to put a bigger one of those on there. And I've just started work on replacing all of the lights with LEDs, and I've done a few little things. The windshield wipers are now stainless steel, and I've taken the rear view mirror off, and I have a chrome look one for there, but it's going to take a little bit to get that darn mounting bracket off. And then I'm in the process of working on the air conditioner.